I mean.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, so here's something we're trying out tonight. It's called the Bighorn, and it's a big cast iron pan for cooking over a campfire. Now, normally this would actually sit down in the campfire that you'd have on the ground, as you see on the picture on the box. But at this campsite we can't do that. Instead, we're using our Outwell Kazel fire pit, and we'll pop that in there, and we'll see if this will work over the top like that. So when it's over there, this will get nice and hot. There's a nice hot plate to cook on. Now, just like a Dutch oven, you need to season it first. That gives it a coating, basically a waterproof coating to protect the cast iron. And you do that by getting this hot and using some vegetable oil, and you wipe that in, you let it get hot, and you basically cook the vegetable oil in, and you'll need to then reapply every 20 or so minutes, let it bake in. So first off, first time you're using it, come out the factory, just give it a wash down, get all the muck off of it, just making sure keep it nice and dry, and then we'll give it a good coat of oil. There you go, well done. So we've put the first layer on, and it's just starting to burn in on here. So time to put another layer on. Try not to put cold things and cold oil directly onto this, it could crack. Just pour some onto a tissue and just rub that in. Again, you might want to use gloves for this. But that will start to bake in, and what it will do is it'll create a natural non-stick coating on top of the pan. I've had several coats going on here now, cooking in. So I don't know whether you can see, but it's got much more of a shiny reflective surface on the top of it now, so that means that it's been seasoning well. Might do with another coat on there, but we're soon to really start cooking on it. See, it's cleaned up quite nicely because we seasoned it and we put several layers of vegetable oil on top to cooking beforehand. It was actually a really good non-stick surface. Even with cooking tomatoes, you have to watch tomatoes because the acidic contents of the tomato can sometimes actually go through the seasoning. But yeah, no, the contents there, and it wiped off. And just what we're doing now is we've just re-seasoned it. It's always a good idea after you've done it, if you can cook without burning anything on there, and just clean the surface off, then you just re-season it and just let that cook in, and that'll be all good and ready for the next time. I'm really impressed with this actually. What do you think to it, Tom?
Yeah, it's good.
Good. Cook the food well?
Yeah.
Good. Where's all the food gone?
In my belly.
I think that's a thumbs up.